lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hey.
What?
We've been
Mom pick us up?
No, we've been sitting here for a while.
Why hasn't she picked us up yet?
I don't know.
Here,
We need to find shelter. That's all we really need to do.
let me check my watch. It's 6:35.
All right, come on. Let's just go find a place to stay.
That looks like a farm. Let's go over there.
Hey, come on.
Do you think it's gonna smell bad? Oh, this does not look like a farm.
Let's go through here. See what this is.
That's a graveyard. I'm not going in there.
Get in here. Why are there shovels?
I don't know.
And why did they leave dirt right here?
I don't know.
Don't step on the bodies.
You're the one stepping on them.
Shh. I'd rather have them haunt me than haunt you. Whoa, I don't know if this is dog poop or what. Don't touch it. Oh, no, it's not. It's dirt.
Okay.
Okay, let's wander around. So there's some tents.
Look at this.
Don't go in there. There's a rock inside the tent. The good tent. Let's... Oh, there's blood. Don't go right here. Maybe someone hit their head. There's a pipe. Oh, it leads to the toilet. Right by the blood.
At least the toilet.
Yeah. And at least it's covering. Don't step on the blood.
Oh my god! That's a lot of blood!
Maybe they hit their head or something.
No! That's more blood.
Come on, let's just explore. What's over here? A note. It says, don't change. Don't change.
No, it doesn't say don't change.
Yes, it does. Look on the top. It says don't change. But read it. There's more.
Oh, it says, if you're here, get away. As far as you can. This place is horrible. I went camping here. I almost died from the serial killer. Whatever you do, run!
Shh, don't yell, even though it tells you to yell. Points her head towards blood. Shush! They said something about a serial killer. We don't want them killing us. Now be quiet before they hear us.
Get out of here.
Ah! Pulls her back. There's so much blood around here. Look.
God. I want to go home.
Well, we can't, because Mom didn't pick us up.
How is she not pick us up? She's always worried about her health. She doesn't want to pick us up. Oh my gosh. Where did you go?
I'm making sure that everything's still okay.
Okay, well, I'm right here in the tent.
Okay, well, go to sleep in the good tent, please. Well, let's try to move it. Okay, there's no blood, so we're good. Come on, let's go to sleep.
Close the tent.
That rock's still inside the tent, but it's fine.
Hey, at least it's better than sleeping in piles of blood.
Ugh, just go to sleep. Fall asleep.
I can't go to sleep. It's so scary. What if that's
Here's her talking. Oh, what did I tell you? Go to sleep.
But how can I sleep when there's a serial killer?
You're fine. We don't know when he comes back. He probably comes back at like 6 a.m. in the morning.
Oh my gosh.
Just shush. I'll wake you up.
I'm tired.
Give me your watch.
Here.
Puts timer. There. Even though your watch is old school, it still has a timer. It sets timer at 4 o'clock. So we'll be able to wake up before the serial killer gets here. Go to sleep.
It's just, I really need to
Just go to sleep. Fine, go.
I'm
Don't do nothing dumb and be quiet. She better not touch nothing. You know, she always told me.
There's the toilet. Hurry, I'm done. Here's,
Waits for her.
Here's footsteps. Oh my gosh.
Graphic,
I heard
get in
footsteps.
here.
I heard footsteps.
That's probably the dumb wolf. I heard a wolf earlier.
A wolf?
Not a wolf, like this weird little cat thing. Maybe a meerkat or something.
Okay. Falls asleep.
Here's meowing. Oh, the dumb meerkat.
Wakes up. Where are you going?
To go get that dumb meerkat.
I'm going with you.
Here's the bang. Grabs her. Hide.
Hiding.
Peeks. Shoot. Alright, oh no. Run! Just run to the light and we'll be okay.
Was that the serial killer?
Oh my gosh, you hear the serial killer's noises? And their music.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Ah, they sound scary. Okay, come on, let's just go. Wait. Ah, there's a car. Trips. Ah!